Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. Meanwhile, we did a forecast right here on YouTube, and here we have it right now. All right, so we have a 1:21 risk reward ratio on EURUSD right here, stop loss of 18 pips and a target of 384 pips right here. Let's get into it right now. Okay, so we can clearly see that what we have right now is a nice rally based drop supply zone with some phantom liquidity which was left behind right here and taken out, and right now what we're anticipating is the market to push back into this POI right here before we can see a potential move to the downside, right? So let me show you why I think this is going to happen and everything, right? So you can see that you have a QML, have a low with a higher high and a break of structure to the downside, and look at the character of candles that broke this structure. You can see that we had very nice big momentum candles right here, which is always important in terms of identifying where the potential smart money guys are actually coming in. And you can see from here that we had these big momentum candles, which indicates a potential involvement of the smart money guys. And also you can see that we have liquidity left behind right here. And now let's zoom in out all the way so that you can see why I also think this is going to actually go down, right? So for a while we had the market going to the upside, and it was characterized by higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. However, look what happened right here. If you zoom in just a little bit, you can see that we had a higher high, we had a higher low, right? And then what we're expecting, a higher high to break this level right here. However, the market failed to break another higher high right here. It failed to make a new higher high, which is always a sign of change of character or potential change of market direction. And what did we have after this market failed to make a new higher high? The market ended up making a new lower low, breaking the previous low, which always tells you that okay, there's a very high chance that the market now may pull back. And now what do? We go to the level that caused the change of character right here. This move right here, meaning we go up right here, we find our order block, and we simply wait for the market to pull back into that area so that we actually get involved once the market returns. It's as simple as that. So you can see you can get your Fibonacci retracement tool right here. So if you get the high and the low, you can see that all this level right here from here to here is the premium zone. So what do? We can get either this POI right here or this POI right here, whatever the market is going to respect, that's the one that we're going to actually choose. So for now, my eyes are set on these two POIs right here. Let me just show you. So the first zone is this one right here, this zone right here. I'm really keeping an eye on this one, and if this doesn't hold, then maybe this one right here. So that's the reason why you've seen me going for the second zone right there. So all I have to do right now is just simply wait for the market to actually come to my zone, and once the market comes to my area, I'll be able to take this particular trade once we have our confirmation, and I'll be able to share this in our premium signals community. All right, so I hope you guys found value in this video, and if you have and you'd like to actually join us, the links down in the description, check them out. All right, you guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.